I'm on my way to get the car. Then I'm gonna pick up our luggage and the family, and we're off to Khao Sok. And we just want to sleep there and have a look and maybe go on a boat ride. That's it. When you're a tourist, you go down the river whether it's rain or sunshine. The nice thing, you're already wet.
We spent the night here in Khao Sok and we stayed here at Smiley's Bungalows. Spacious and clean, very basic, but it has everything that you need if you're on a budget like us. And now we are off to go and explore Khao Sok Lake and see if we can get a nice trip there. If we just go straight to the lake instead of booking it through an agent. Ready to hit the road? My tribe.
Portal, a passage right in front. So there's like an opening right here in front. And it's so beautiful. And this is actually an island. I was just about to think it's part of the passage or the portal, but it's actually just a little big rock in the middle of the lake. And yet another passage reveals itself. Gonna jump in? Must I jump in first?
Jump! Mommy, you have to jump as well. Can you record then how I jump? Wow!
You can see how clear the water is. You can see even down at the bottom. Very clear. The water is so clear, I can really see you go down all the way.
Did you see me down there?
Yeah, it's so clear. Just go down here.
I went down about 5 meters. The water is getting cold down there, but it's still crystal clear and it's still daylight, which tells you this water is extremely clean and clear. Just had amazing, all of us had an amazing swim in this lake. This water is quite warm, lukewarm, but not as hot as the oceans. But it's such an amazing feeling. Fresh water on your body. It's stunning, and it's crystal clear. And as you go down, right next to the cliff, that cliff just goes down and down and down and disappears in an abyss down there. But as far as you can see, crystal clear water. This place is amazing. And now we're going to continue. I believe there's still a couple of nice sights to be seen. There's a lot of boat houses, or not boat houses, floating houses, and a restaurant or two. It's really, really, truly beautiful. Khao Sok Yeo, beautiful place.
Lovely ears.
Welcome to Khao Sok National Park.
So this is Khao Sok National Park residence. Extremely basic, just two mattresses and then a walkway. But I guess this is a nice place to finish the day off. Yeah.
Yay! Smash the bell button.
I am amazed by the crystal clear water. I haven't seen fresh water like this before. It is genuine, clean, clear water. And it's so nice to swim in.
Shows your bum.
You want to see?